everybody. Today we're going to do a really easy recipe called chicken bubble biscuit bake casserole. You're going to need 3 cups of cooked chicken breast, chopped or shredded, and you're going to combine it with 2 cans of cream and chicken soup. I've got a family size can, so also going to need 1.5 cups of sour cream, and I'm going to use a whole container of 16-ounce size. And then you're going to need 1 cup of grated cheese. Put that all in here together. Alright, so you're actually going to need another cup of shredded cheese, but we're going to reserve that for the top, so it will need to be divided. Alright, let me combine all this really quick. We got some more stuff that's got to go in with it.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed.
You're going to also need 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing mix. We're going to add it to this. Okay, 1, 2, and a 1/4 cup of bacon, cooked and crumbled. Okay. Alright, so your oven needs to be preheated to 350, and you need to have a 9x13 casserole dish sprayed with cooking spray. And have that set aside waiting. Okay, now, the next thing you need is your biscuits. I just got a can of biscuits. This is a 16-ounce can. I was supposed to get 12, but I couldn't find it. So I was like, well, this is going to have to work. So, hopefully this won't be too loud. You need to cut these into 4 pieces and add them to this mixture. So let me get a cutting board. We'll do this really quickly. Okay, cut into 4s. And I don't think there's any biscuits in here, so I just got like the cheapest thing that I could find. Let's see. Okay, we'll put all these in here. Almost done. Never made a bubble bake before, so this is like a first time thing for me. Alright, so I need to mix all that up. kind of fold it in. Okay. Alright, so now all we gotta do in our prepared pan, set this, pour this in. Sorry about that, that's my oven. Okay. Now, you're supposed to, only thing left to do is top it with the remaining thing of cheese, and that's it. You will pop this in 350 degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes until it's bubbly and the biscuits are golden brown. Okay, see you in a few. Okay, here it is, fresh out of the oven. You may need to play with the time because you want your biscuit dough to be done all the way through. But there you go. It's all done. It's real quick, real easy. Perfect on a very rainy day. See y'all later.